If you have a carry-on luggage or even a regular luggage that is this type of hardshell bag and it has a crack on it, you don't really have to throw it away. You can repair it. There are ways to repair it. And before I start showing you, probably here the easiest thing would have been some really strong epoxy glue or the B7000 or B6000 glue for the plastic there, or some other kind of plastic glue. Super glue wouldn't work on this, maybe just temporarily. And what I'm trying to show you here is how to use the plastic welding to fix it. First, you want to make sure that if there is an option to remove the inside of the bag to see how it looks like, do that. And here I'm not sure this plastic, the black one from inside there, I'm not sure if it's foam or if it's also the hard shell type of plastic. And yeah, I'm gonna try to use a simple plastic welding technique to melt the plastic and put it back together, make it as one piece. I have a soldering iron here, and this one is adjustable, so I'm gonna start with the lowest temperature setting and then increase it as it goes. So all you need really is the soldering iron, and if you know the type of plastic that you're welding, you could also use some extra pieces of plastic to make this solder joint a little bit stronger. And I've done soldering for plastic welding many times, but this was probably the worst one. The plastic on this case, it's very thin, and the plastic under it, I'm not sure if it's a kind of a foam thing, or I'm not sure what kind of plastic it is. But yeah, I could have put some kind of extra plastic on top, but I wasn't sure which type of plastic it is. Probably ABS or any other polypropylene would have been working pretty well. So it doesn't look pretty, but it's actually much better than before, and it doesn't have to be forever. It's just until you can buy a new case. In this case here, this luggage, I didn't want to buy a new one, so I wanted to simply fix it. Now I want to show you that you can add an extra layer of protection to it. So first I'm going to clean it. I'm going to remove the grease from it, and I have this cloth tape on a card here for this kind of situation. You could even put only the cloth tape without the soldering or even any glue. So if you're traveling and something happens to the bag, you can really only use this cloth tape, and this tape is pretty good, it's pretty strong. It would hold it until you have something better to use. And I actually have also some orange tape. I don't know, I didn't find it in that moment. And this silver tape doesn't really hold well. The cloth tape is the best one. So yeah, that's how you fix your luggage if you have a crack in your suitcase. Thanks for watching.